Ka working president ke MPCC ke Deborah Marak ke lapan pau ya ke Jingbitar halo ke Jingkhang ya ke internet ke belane haduk kendai sengi Rilum Garo ke Wanrah ya ke Jingchakta ke bajur ya ke Nongshong Shnong. Haba kerani ke Nongtok kubor ke Deborah Marak ke layathu ba ke Jingbamdan ke internet ke Wanrah ya ke Jingeh ke Khraw. Kalau ong ba ke ni ke Jingdan kam ke bahak khamat ya mentah. Kalau benrap ba ke Jingkhang ya ke internet ke lapan nong ya ke Nong Khayi ke Nong Bela ki betray ki kam lajong ba ke lapan wet ru ki kam office bat ki rukom siu jing siu lengba ka digital payment. Ke MPCC ke lapan pau ba ke jing syakta ke bajur tam ke long halor ki samla pulih ke bedan kami ke internet na ke bentar ke jing pulih. Bat kumju ka kot ke khia bat ka kam ke bayde be ki bank. Ka bala hiar bha. Kalau ong ba ke jingkhang ya ke internet palat ke analyze ni kalau ke babean bat ke batombor ke hok ki pat ba. Ha ka bayde ba ke jing penjari curfew. Ka Deborah Marak kalau pentep ba mensengi laweng no ya ka dekerang don pat ka por menit. Ka kemilinti ba ke sarkar kan bisyar benia ban weng no ya baro lada ka syong suk syong san kalawan pai biang.
uh, where internet services have been shut down for than a week. But I was learned just now. Now I think they are getting the internet. Whatever the may be the case, this prolonged disruption has caused widespread inconvenience and hardship across all sections of society in Garo Hills, we all know. And just imagine in this era, one cannot stay without internet. Internet access is not a luxury today, we all know, but a necessity. The absence of internet connectivity is severely hampering businesses because we have businesses in Garo Hills, especially Tura, William Nagar, Bakmara, and North Garo Hills. Daily wage earner, we all know, due to disrupted payment system and supply chains. Office, government offices, private offices, both public sectors, all of them have been significantly affected. Mainly, we all know, today students are unable to access online classes. How much it affect them? Study materials, examination updates, putting their education at risk. Health services and emergency communication, it's affect all of them, putting lives at risk, those who are sick in the hospital, those who really need urgent doctor attention. These are very much concern to the Congress party. That is why we are here, and we wanted to put a message across Garo Hills. Banking services, we all know, we need banking services, have been disrupted, causing inconvenience to the general public, to the business people. We all know it. Prolonged shutdown not only cause inconvenience to the citizen, but also hinder economic growth, transparency, and the free flow of information. Law and order situations are not uncommon and occur in many states across the country. And we all know now, even across the world, in such instances, temporary restriction for an hour or even 2 3 days, we understand it. However, extending internet shutdown for more than a week is excessive and raises serious question about government governance and decision